Introducing the Carmen Luz Negra stylish LED pendant light profile made with high-quality illuminate. It is available in 8 different color finishes to perfectly match any interior: azure blue, black, ivory, pastel yellow, patina green, red tomato, stone gray, and white. The profile is used for pendant lighting, such as over desks, kitchen islands, dining room tables, boardroom tables, and even billiards tables. Just get a color that matches your felt. You can buy with confidence, knowing there is a 10-year guarantee on the Carmen, and 4 years on its diffusers. Now, let's take a look at the internal light tray. First, mount the LED strips into the tray and test if the light is working properly. Next, insert the tray inside the profile. You can easily slide it in and out for repairs and maintenance. It also leaves an area in the Carmen for power supplies and controllers. Please note that the internal light tray is sold separately from the profile, so be sure to consider this when placing an order. The diffuser is available in a frosted finish. Simply clip in the diffuser to the internal light tray. Make sure it is securely fastened all the way around. See how it is textured for even diffusion without sacrificing brightness. Now let's test the frosted diffuser. You will see that the diffuser has reduced the light output by 1,500 lumens. But it has also significantly improved the uniformity of the light distribution. We can also cut the Carmen to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer for use with the Carmen. To create stunning pendant light fixtures, we recommend the Universal Hanging Kit, available for purchase on our site. We also have a short tutorial video showing you how to use it. To finish off your light fixture in style, you'll most likely want to use end caps, which are available in 8 colors you can choose from. To use these end caps, simply attach them with small screws. Make sure they are securely fastened to the ends of the profile. The Carmen has 4 holes where you screw the end caps in. You can use joining plates and brackets to seamlessly join 2 lengths of the profile together. If you're interested in using the Carmen for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.